Hi, my name is Karen Knight, and I'm the Vegan Amateur. Today I thought I would have a little chat about vegan meat replacement products. It can be a little bit divisive, the whole meat replacement thing. You have both vegans and non-vegans saying, well, if you don't want to eat meat, why would you have a product that tastes like meat? And I think that from my point of view, meat replacement products really do have a place because it's not necessarily the taste of meat that's something that puts me off. It's the idea of what it actually is. So from an ethical point of view, and I think there are some people who would argue even from an ethical point of view, meat replacement is a little bit dodgy because, why would you want to have something that kind of keeps that whole sort of flavor profile in your diet? But I want to say that we eat a lot of meat replacement products because, as I've said previously, Andy is still a meat eater, although he has reduced his meat eating significantly just because, we're a couple, we live in the same household. It isn't economical for us to be having different meals all the time. It's not convenient for us to be having different meals all the time. And to his credit, he does say, if I like the taste of it, then I am completely happy to go with it and just have it from now on. So it's a little bit of a compromise for us, although I have to say I do enjoy them as well. And when I see new things coming out, they are something that I really like to try out and see whether it's something that I think is a good addition to our grocery list. So I'm just going to go through a couple of the things that we actually eat fairly regularly, a couple of things that we haven't had too regularly or have only just tried but have enjoyed, and hopefully some of these things you might give a try instead of your normal meat product that you might have had previously. I have to say and be very, very honest, the more time that you put between having had the real thing and having had the replacement, the better that replacement tastes. My advice is to give it a chance. Okay, so the first thing that I wanted to show you is Linda McCartney's vegetarian sausages. So Linda McCartney has had a vegetarian line for ages and ages. So this is something that you would have seen in the freezer section of the grocery store for a long time. These are also suitable for vegans, although they're marketed as vegetarian sausages. And I just find them, they don't taste like pork. I wouldn't say, oh yeah, they've got porky flavor, but they do have nice herbs and spices and give it that sort of nice breakfast sausage kind of taste. So that's one. She's got a whole line of different products. They're not all vegan, so you do need to read carefully when you're looking at those particular products, but there are loads of things out there. I think she's got pies and escalopes or escallops. I don't know if I said that right. It was a little bit funny. All kinds of different meat replacement products, so that is a good one, a good brand to check out. The next one I have is Vedera. This is their veggie shawarma kebab. So this is meant to sort of simulate that kebab meat that you would get maybe in one of those greasy spoon type after hours type places. This doesn't taste as greasy or as kind of dirty as that. It's plant-based. I think a lot of these products are, they generally have soya and soya protein. It's a good source of protein in case you're wondering about that as well. I'm going to say the Linda McCartney sausages, yeah, soya protein is a pretty much the main ingredient there. The Vedera products, this is just the kebab meat shawarma, but they've got a lot of other things as well. So they've got like pulled pork product, they've got fish fingers, they've got a steak, they've got burgers, so they've got quite a good line, and I actually really like the taste and flavor of a lot of their products. I think I just had some fish fingers yesterday and they're really nice. So Vedera is another brand that has some meatless products out there, meat replacement products out there that I think are really tasty. The next one that I wanted to talk about is Beyond Burger, and I just have the little bit of packaging that's left over because we just tried this today. So I don't know if anybody's heard of the Beyond Meat company, but they're an American-based company and they have been putting out a bunch of meat replacement products. So I think burgers, sausages, all kinds of different things. And they have been really getting some very good reviews about the sort of authenticity of their product and sort of how it really tastes like burgers. So we have the Beyond Burger, which is available in the UK in Tesco's in the freezer section. I'm not sure if there's any other grocery stores, but that was where we got ours from. It's the first time that I've actually tried it, so the review is that it was really tasty. I wouldn't say it was especially more tasty than some of the other things I've tried, like the Vedera, but it was really good. It was a tiny bit more expensive than, again, some of the other things that I've tried, but it was really good. The last one I wanted to talk about is corn products. So corn products are also something that's QUORN. They're also something that have been around for a long while. Vegetarian and vegan products. You do have to be careful looking at those packages just to make sure you're getting the right thing and you don't have the product. There's a lot of products with egg and some dairy in it, so you just want to be careful to avoid those if you're looking for vegan things. We tend to get their chicken nuggets, and they're the nicest ones that I've had over sort of all the other brands. So I just wanted to, I don't have a package to show you, but I just wanted to bring those up because we enjoy those regularly. And again, that's got the soya protein in it. That really is making up a big portion of what the product actually is. But we find those to be really nice. They're vegan nugget product. And a lot of their other products as well. They do quite a big line of vegan and vegetarian things. Right, so that is my take on meatless meat or vegan meat replacement products. So the things that I've tried and I really like are Linda McCartney sausages, Vedera products just in general, so kebab meat, fish fingers, their burgers are nice, their pulled pork is nice, so all the Vedera line. The Beyond Meat burger, so that has kind of an average review. It was nice for what you can get out of the grocery store. Maybe not the best value for money, but again, it tasted good, and it's something new out there in case you're looking for something in a burger. And the last thing is the corn products, specifically the chicken nuggets, which are our particular favorite. Right, so that's everything. Have a good one.